Ever wondered how enemies know where to aim? Should I move my character with force or by setting velocity? Or what's really happening inside a video game engine? Well, look no further. Welcome to the Devgineering Lab, where engineering meets game development and math and physics finally get to see some action. Here, we break the deep logic behind how games really work, from vector maths and physics to systems logic and movement design. All of it using cheap effects and F-tier humor. As a mechanical engineering PhD student specializing in physics simulations, and as a university teacher, I've spent years in the world of equations, motions, and systems. But this channel isn't about lectures. It's about applying this knowledge to game development in ways that are practical, visual, and actually fun to learn. Whether we're building games, or simply enjoy taking them down, it's up to us, the developers, to understand the tools and pick the right one for the job. That's what I try to do here, to teach and learn myself as many tools as possible so we can all create more enjoyable, more expressive games. So, if you want to develop more like an engineer, or simply expand your dev toolbox, subscribe and join our growing lab.
Warning, side effects may include evolving big brain, and large heads sold separately, batteries not included.